Well, hello and welcome back to Draw with Jordan, another episode of Quick Tip Tuesday where I try to figure out how. Oh. Namaste, and welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to discuss vital hand and arm stretches to keep you from cramping up and feeling disgusting while you're drawing. So, let's go do that now, shall we? Draw! We shall begin with depression of the swan. While holding the forearm vertically, simply grasp the finger as if attempting to drop a coin into a bucket directly below your elbow. Hold this pose for several seconds, release, and repeat twice. This stretch will loosen the wrist and the muscles of the palm. Additionally, it will assist you when attempting to salt large cuts of beef. To continue the thumb stretch, hold the forearm upright and make a fist. Extend the fist away, pressing the little finger toward the wrist until a slight pull is felt on the thumb side of the wrist. No pain should be felt, just a slight tug while you slowly wave your invisible flag of surrender. And now the fingers. Extend the hand to the open position, curl the fingertips in to inspect your manicure, and press. Extend the fingers outward and repeat as if playing a game of high-five too slow with a young sibling. Now relax the fingers and proceed to high-five any nearby pedestrians. Moving to the wrist, begin by holding the palm outward and upward. Imagine taking a fruit, realizing it's old, and dropping it. Continue this several times and then we'll extend the wrist. Turn the wrist clockwise, and then using the opposite hand, gently extend the wrist until a stretch is felt. Continue this stretch counterclockwise, again using the opposite hand to assist in the fruit dropping. Next is the praying mantis stretch. Extend the arm and grasp the fingers in the form of depression of the swan, pulling the fingers under and towards the body as before. To extend the stretch, just like the others, gently pull the hand towards the body and hold for a few moments. Release the wrist and repeat once more while chanting the mantis mantra known as quiet while waiting for Stacy. Now we will stop unwanted flirtatiousness. Extend the arm, palm outward, as if to set the boundary for your personal comfort bubble. With the fingers engaged, use the opposite hand to gently pull the fingers towards the body and hold. Incidentally, this also works against pickup lines. Perhaps you may wish your suitor to take your hand. In this stretch, we will extend the palm outward and upward, and then lower the fingers. Once again using the opposite hand and gently pulling the fingers towards the body, and hold. Repeat this 1 to 2 times, thus giving your opponent sufficient opportunity to read the test answers written on your palm. Additionally beneficial to the Vulcan race is the finger spread. Simply using the thumb and forefinger, gently spread each pair of fingers slightly beyond their natural spread distance. Relax the fingers and repeat, each time reminding yourself how long-living and prosperous you will be after doing these wonderful exercises. Perhaps a more intrinsic stretch would be to extend the arms with the palms outward. Spread the fingers as far as they will go naturally. Perhaps imagine yourself as a less wrinkly Emperor Palpatine punishing young Skywalker with your finger sparks, or a brave adolescent simply attempting to stop a runaway bus with his bare hands. Finally, the thumb. Place the palm away from the body and extend the thumb. Gently tug the thumb downward, then backward until the tug is felt. Then compress the hand and press the thumb into the palm, like Houdini without the handcuffs. Lastly, juicing the grapefruit. A simple stress ball, tennis ball, or hockey ball can be used for a full hand and forearm exercise to strengthen the fingers, the wrist, and the patience of the user. Alternate finger squeezes and palm squeezes to varying effect. Using actual fruit is not recommended unless a small glass or tumbler is nearby. Alrighty. Yes, those are real stretches, and yes, I do use them myself, and yes, they do work. But who wants to watch a boring stretch video? So, I did all the hard work for you. Thanks again for stopping by, and like, subscribe. I would love you forever. And yeah, as always,
Báo chí choàng ý. Vâng.
Draw!